Annual in 2026, we welcome Thobile Makhumalo Mselego.
Thank you so much.
When we were upstairs, I'm like, and then
I didn't have anything to wear.
what?
I'm being honest, guys. I tried and failed.
You tried and you did not fail.
Okay, thank you. I feel like I'm a bit too much, but it's okay.
Hi, we love too much.
Come on.
In a time where your life is being broadcasted once again so much, how's your heart today?
Heavy. I think being in front of so many people, guys, sunborn. Just says, I don't think I had an idea ukuthi kuzobe kwenzakalani. I saw a clip.
Yeah.
Makhulunywa ukuthi ngizozala, but like I don't think this is what I've actually pictured. My heart is a bit full, but I'm good. I'm excited. I'm happy for the platform.
Yes. Kancane nje uthe heavy. Qhamuka pho heavy.
Oqhamuka ekuthini yazi ukuthi off late mangihlangana nomuntu wonke umuntu is like uceba inyembezi wanna give me a hug and all. So ileyo nto nami when I see people I just feel like I don't know how to behave because I know everyone is like Thobile, I want to give you a hug. How are you feeling? Yeah, but how are you feeling is always something very simple to respond to, but off late I'm like I don't know whether you want the real how I'm feeling, or you want the light one on the surface. Yeah, bo. So that's why I'm like, I'm a bit, but yeah, I'm fine.
We want the real one. How are you feeling?
Okay. I'm feeling okay. I'm good. I'm blessed. I thank God for giving me an opportunity to be here amongst abantu ningi kangaka. I've recognized some faces here and I'm like, who am I to even sit this side? And I'm like, I'm Mhlapile, but it's okay.
Yes,
I'm joking.
yes.
But I'm really happy. I'm really happy for being part of this. I watch you all the time. Like we met at some point.
Yes.
And you're like, Masure, ungitshele ngathi never me.
Sase fresh food.
Lalela,
Yes.
ngathi asoze.
Uhleze khoneni.
Exactly.
Wathi lo ngiyambalekela.
Ngathi asoze. Wathi nje masu right. Ngathi never me. And now man, I feel a bit ambushed. But I'm excited because this is just Nkulunkulu. You cannot say no.
Come on.
Yeah.
Why delegate such a huge part of your personal life to the media?
I never planned for that. Actually, it just happened. It's part of me. A huge part of my life has been media, unplanned. I think I just woke up this one time and I realized, okay, here's a platform. Go out there, shine, be you. So luckily for me, yonke into bekuyinto a reality. So from radio to TV, it was a reality. So I'm a people's person. Ngithanda abantu, ngihlezi ngihleka, ngihlezi ngithanda ukuba amongst abanye abantu. So radio iyangenzela ukuthi ngisondezele abantu eduze kwami. Ngihlezi ngithanda ukulalela abantu yabo. Kwenzakalani ebhlaleni ngasiza kuphi. I'm that person. So being with media space kungallowile ukuthi ngibe closer to abantu so that I can assist where I can. Yeah,
apologies guys. The coffee machine is quite disturbing. Can we just stop? Thank you. In that journey of ukusondezana nabantu, there's an element of Bantu wanting to know too much that they don't deserve to know. How are you navigating that? Because okusalayo sawumuntu and your life belongs to you.
Luckily for me, what you see is what you get. So angidingi ukwenza okungale kwalokho. Like I don't need to think kakhulu if ungibuza ukuthi Thobile ubani ngizokutshela nje ukuthi mina ngiubani. So anginayo into engale kwalokho okubonayo. So for me ayikho into too much, ayikho into less. It's only that gain to fun. So as a human being, a normal human being, sometimes you don't feel like sharing. Sometimes you feel like, oh, okay, I'm good. I can share today. But other than that, ayikho into engale kwalokho because I've accepted each journey yami empilo as is. So anginayo into there's nothing hidden about it.
I'll start pushing you. Has money ruined your marriage?
Money? What money? What money?
I'd put it this way, right? Sometimes because of our desires and how far we want to take things, hustle culture, siyapusha, we always never think we have enough. But I think because your life, almost a decade, has been on television, we've actually seen your growth. So we see ukuthi there's more money. You might not think it's a lot, but siyabona ukuthi uThobile usesebenzile, uyavuka isebenzele le mali. And in marriages, that can either be good or bad or just in between.
Sure. Okay, guys, angabi nemali ne. But I work hard towards achieving amaphupho engabe nawo ngimnane. Amanye asaphila manje, amanye afile along the way because uhlezi uthi une plan but uNkulunkulu abe ne better plan. So obviously I work hard. But it has never been a problem. Kwi-setup engisuka kuyona yomshado, me working hard has never been a problem because mhlambe kwakuyi-advantage kwakona ukuthi there are more wives, so awunakiwe like mawubhizi busy mawukhona khona mawungekho awukho. So with me ukuphusha into yami, so I would never say khona into engicabanga ukuthi imoshakalile ngalokho because mayimoshakalile kusho ukuthi sorry ke ngoba kusazoqhubeka.
Would you say you are too independent for marriage?
I think marriage needs like guys, sometimes you don't know how to say these things without thinta kabi abanye abantu because imshado ayifani,
Sure.
you know. But I think in my marriage I would say ukuthi unayo into owami umshado ne, unayo into yokufuna ukuthi ngathi ungangabi independent kakhulu. Mhlawumbe uhlakaniphe kangqonywana. Ifune ngathi mhlawumbe kuhlonipheka kangcono or usubmitha kangcono mangabe ungathi ingqondo yakho ithanda ukuba.
I get it.
I'm being honest because sometimes abantu mina umuntu engishade naye doesn't like ukuba challenged, you know. He's a man nomzulu, typical Zulu man. So ezinye zezinto azikho ngokuthi ucabangani izingokuthi kumele kwenzekeni.
Sure.
So if you are independent like I am, you can go like ufike la uthi khona no kodwa phela ngithi nami yami ingqondo is able to work. So angeke ngikuthathe konke, ngizokuthatha okunye but okunye ngeke ngize ngikuthathe. But noma ukwenza lokho bese ukwenza ngenhlonipho, you understand?
Got you,
so
got you.
I inakho kuba nento yokuthi engathi nawe ungakabi ngale.
Kakhulu. There's a lot of people who will privately say, bona bashade umuntu oyedwa, unonkosikazi oyedwa nendoda eyodwa, so it's a monogamous marriage, right? And they will never say this in public, but maybe mekuphuza amatiye kwama-Brian abangani babo bathi, I wish angahamba nje u2 months angishiye kancane anginike i-break.
We all need that break.
Do you think it helps you and that's why your setup works because une-break eningi?
Of course. For me, angifuna ukuqamba mangashe, I don't regret being in the setup. It worked for me. I think especially nomuntu engishade naye, ngiyamazi ukuthi ngathi uyisimbela mbela like umuntu la. So if kuthiwa ngangingedwa impela ngangeke ngisurvive.
Osisibala bayakhalaza bafuna babodwa, bafuna baby bodwa.
It's okay. Imshado ayifani owami. Mina my husband is too much. Uyazi naye like ngathi uNkulunkulu of some sort. So I can't praise God and praise him kanye like I can't. So I just need that break.
I'll come back to this. The ones you're comfortable with, what businesses are you actually in? Because people undermine the businesswoman that you are.
Oh man, I'm just an employee. I'm just an employee.
Thanks, ma.
Naga thanks man ashiwe.
Yeah.
Naga thanks man ashiwe, but I've been working with mind business for close to 10 years now.
Sure.
Yeah. So Mzumbe, if you do not know Lungelo, there's been a lithium mine since 2018. So I worked with the company Leya Ikona before. Now there's a new one. So I work in that company.
Sure.
Too. So yeah, ngisebenza mine. I'm a mine worker.
Mind work. Ngibone nomakalabha
Of course,
ne-PPE
that's who I
njengami.
am.
Because abantu
That's who
abazi ukuthi sigqoke
I
i-PPE when the
am.
cameras are not there, right?
Yes. Even when cameras are there.
Sure.
Because mina ngisho ngenze reality. So even when cameras are there, ngisuke ngigqokile umakalabha. Obviously, phela kudala ngiqalile ukusebenza. I think ngaqala ukusebenza 2009. Worked at the municipality, Uku district. From there, I started assisting in businesses, zasekhaya, facilitation, social facilitation, and construction, and I've been doing a bit of logistics as well. But ngigxile kakhulu emayini bese ngibamba
Lapha nalapha.
Yeah.
Okulunga la nala.
Nentombazana ayilali.
Washa. I'm coming back to pushing you. I know with reality TV, I'm on TV now.
Yeah.
I know with TV there is editing, so I'm on live TV, but some of our episodes are pre-recorded because for public holidays, like I can be TV here when I'm here. That example, right?
Yeah.
Oops.
Sorry.
It
Yeah, live TV.
Yeah, and the idea is that with reality TV, especially in an ensemble cast like you, ku-editwa izinto ongazazi uzibone for the first time nawe on TV njengathi ababukeli.
Correct.
How do you feel being in a big, humongous family where there should be a sense of ngisho ngabazwani, but because we share a surname, there should be a sense of unity, and you discover on TV like us a few weeks ago ukuthi something so personal and private about your fertility, your decisions as a younger woman, and surrounding children. How did it make you feel? We discover kanjalo leyo nto.
Mina yazi ukuthi izinto eziningi engizibonayo on the screen zingenza ngidabukele the person nozenzayo more than ukuthi is affecting mina
Sure.
as uThobile, because phela mina ngithi lezo zinto ngiyaziphila ezinye zazo, so I already know those things and I know why zingekho kwi-screen, and most of the time it's not my decision ukuthi zingabe kwi-screen. So if kunomunye umuntu obona ukuthi yena angakwazi ukusebenzisa lezo zinto ukuthi zimenza azizwe better, I'm actually very happy for that person. Sonke sifuna ukufila better, guys. Sonke sifuna ukufila good. So if kunento obonayo ukuthi ungayisebenzisa yami ukwenza ukuthi uzizwe right, I'm happy for you. But ngifila bad if kuukuthi it's not izinto eziyiqiniso liphelele.
Okay.
And you know ukuthi azilona.
Sure.
But makukudawe, those things were presented to you to be the truth. It's okay, I forgive you, but ngizokunikeza mhlambi version right mawunganginike opportunity. But mawufuna ukuhlala lapho futhi, it's still fine as long as you are good.
Do you think it was used as a gotcha moment? Uzenza ngcono lo so sengimtholile.
I don't think ngizenza ngcono, I think ngingcono nje.
Okay.
No. Honestly, no ngingcono. I'm not comparing myself with anyone.
Sure.
Mina nje uThobile ngingcono.
Sure.
Angihlangene nokuthi wena ngcono kancane noma ngcono kakhulu, mina ngingedwa ngizimele ngingcono. So ke ukuthi kwenza uzizwe kanjani, it's not my problem.
Sure.
So if kuukuthi nawe uzube ngcono fa usebenzise a bit of Thobile ngoba ungcono.
Why the decision to not take that part of your life to cameras?
I know that I can't share everything because obviously
Sure.
we're still on screen. So
Sure.
some of the things zisazo lukwanezi yabo. But ayikho ingxenye yempilo yami engingakaze ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo.
Got you.
And people very close to me, they know everything about my life. Bakhona abanye abalana abazi yonke into. If there was anything that is hidden, ngabe ayaziwa umuntu. But because ayifihlwanga, but because TV and awushuthi wedwa, so impilo yethu inabanye abantu, and sekwi-structure ekufanele kuhlezi kuhlengahlengiswa ukuthi le izokwenza kube njani, le izokwenza konakale, le izokwenza.
Yes.
It's not my decision, but
yes.
mostly as the directors and producers' decisions. Producer being like exact being umthombe, yabo. So
He has the final say.
like not final,
Yeah.
but as an executive producer and umnikazi we. Let me make an example. Masoqala ukushuthi reality show yethu season 1. Sasikazi lutho nge-TV. Sisemzumbe emakhaya asazi nge-TV.
Yellow
yabo.
houses.
Of course. So sendli neyelo asazilutho nge-TV siyasaba asazi noma siyenze lento noma singayenzi. Masa sivumile obviously kwakufanele ukuthi sithi ukufundiswa a bit about TV. So i-reality ifuna a bit of drama nan. First thing ekwakumele sichaze yokuthi we won't fake drama. Teeny life yethu is dramatic on its own. So asidinganga ukuthi senze okungale kwalokho, but if kukuthi lokho kwakwazi ukuthi kulethe on the surface to say i-reality show needs a bit of drama, kusho ukuthi zikhona ezinye izinto ezenzeka ngoba nakho kufanele i-show ibe na that drama nan. But uMthombeni had that power to say le family yami thina sifuna ukuthi njenge family singahlukaniswa ukuthi now sesiku TV. So ningasiphushi to our limits. So TV, yes, but this is family. That is why there's no reunion, nan, because we are family at the end of the day. Because imagine nje ngisukuma ngihazula umuntu ngempama. Yabo? Exactly. So ingakho ku protectwa le nto ukuthi at the end of the day siwumndeni. So kezikhona ezinye izinto noma zi-real kodwa azikwazi uvele kuthiwe badla kungazuthi wena wedwa uzimele. So ilezi ezinye izinto ezigcina zenzeka ukuthi okay lokho sikakhuluma lokho sikangakukhulumi ngobani. But with me I'm free to share because I've already shared a lot. Ngeke ngishare yonke journey yami yabantwana yoku in like topics and everything bese ngizosala nje ngendawana encane to say okay amapha ama options osuku now. So uyabona nje leyo nto into ozibuzayo ukuthi seriously you really think bengizofihla lo nto why?
Yes.
So yeah. Common sense.
First 7 years, we're in season 8 now. 9. So first 8 years, okay, maybe 7 because the 8th one was a shift. First 7 years of Uthando Nesithembe, Thobile was called a pick-me. Do you think you were a pick-me?
Mhlambe ngoba igama lesingisi ake ngingaliphiki ne, but ngizokuchazela ukuthi uThobile ubani. Ngiyingane nje ehloniphayo vele by nature. And ngumuntu obazisayo abantu. Ngumuntu futhi who's able ukuzifaka ezicathulweni zabanye abantu. If there's one thing that I believe I understood very well was umshado engekuwona, which is Thembu. Ukuthi it's not everything that is about me. There are other people. And siphume emakhaya angafani. Therefore, noma ngabe kuthiwa nami ngikhona, but I still need to understand where you are also coming from. So I'm not a pick-me, but ngine understanding ukuthi ngikuphi la. So iliyo nto ebeyenzeka ukuthi I'm going to support the vision yale structure ngikusona ngalokho okupresentwe kimi.
Got you.
Angikwazi ukupresentele omunye umuntu. So that's what I've been doing. So
Yeah.
if lokho bengenza a pick me, it's okay. So that's what I was doing.
I'm coming back to pushing